Module 3 Demo Video. Hi, welcome to the eGump Module 3 demonstration video. This video demonstrates how the 3 exercises in each lesson are completed. The introduction video provides a brief overview and explains eGump certification. The learning objectives are to become proficient in 1. Punctuating the various types of elements in sentences that require punctuation. 2. Capitalizing words in sentences that require capitalization. 3. Recognizing punctuation and capitalization errors in sentences. Each sentence includes these 5 parts: lesson video, lesson overview, Ptma, applying rules, lesson reinforcer, Ptmb, finding errors. Module 3 provides ample practice identifying the type of punctuation errors required to be identified on standardized tests such as the ACT and SAT. Here's how the Lesson 2 Ptma Applying Rules graded exercise is completed. Start by viewing the Ptm video and reading the procedures. A sentence is displayed with an introductory element that may or may not require a comma and 9 button choices. Read the sentence. Click on the button that identifies the type of introductory element. Review the rule and examples, and then insert the punctuation. If the punctuation and rule are correct, the punctuation insertion will be green and the rule button will be blue. However, if a punctuation insertion is incorrect, the correct insertion will be red, and when a rule button is incorrect, the correct rule button will be blue with the rule displayed. The scoring box displays the current score and the score to beat. Retesting is allowed and recommended until mastery of the lesson is achieved. Here is how the Lesson 2 lesson reinforcer is completed. Start by viewing the reinforcer video and reading the procedures. For this lesson reinforcer, you must identify the type of introductory element. Review the sentence examples and the lesson rules before making a button selection. This repetitious drill will lead to mastery of the lesson rules. When a selected button is correct, the button will be green. However, when a selected button is incorrect, the button will be red and the correct response button will be green. There are 3 ways to complete this exercise. Score 15 correct responses in a row, score 30 correct responses, or complete 100 attempts. Here's how the Lesson 2 Ptmb Finding Errors graded exercise is completed. Start by viewing the Ptm video and reading the procedures. The displayed sentence will be correct or have a punctuation error pertaining to the current lesson or a previous lesson. Click on View All Rules, select a lesson, and review the sentence examples in your selected rule before making your selection. When a selected button is correct, the button will be green. When a selected button is incorrect, the incorrect button will be red and the correct button green with the rule displayed. The scoring box displays the current score and the score to beat. Retesting is allowed and recommended until mastery of the lesson is achieved. Click here to review the grade report. Retesting lesson scores less than 90% is recommended before attempting the mastery test to achieve eGump mastery certification. The average grade score is 50% of the final grade. This score cannot be changed once the mastery test is started. The mastery test has 2 parts. Part A, test your understanding of the punctuation and capitalization rules presented in Module 3. Part B, test your ability to recognize and punctuate and/or capitalize errors in sentences. Each part may be attempted 3 times. The final grade is the final lesson score plus the mastery test score divided by 2. Thanks for your interest in eGump.